Index.dev is a web development platform that offers a range of tools and resources for building modern web applications. It is designed to help developers create cutting-edge web experiences using the latest technologies and best practices. To make money online with Index.dev in 2024, follow these step-by-step guidelines. 1. Learn web development. Familiarize yourself with HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and other web development technologies. You can use online resources like Codecademy, Udemy, or free tutorials on platforms like YouTube. 2. Master Index.dev. Understand the platform's features, tools, and workflow. Familiarize yourself with the documentation and explore various examples to get a feel for what can be achieved with Index.dev. 3. Build a portfolio. Create a few web projects using Index.dev to showcase your skills and expertise. These projects can be personal websites, web applications, or even small e-commerce platforms. 4. Offer freelance services. Register on freelancing platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer, and offer your web development services using Index.dev. You can bid on projects or promote your services to potential clients. 5. Create web development courses. If you have a knack for teaching, create online courses or tutorials focusing on Index.dev. You can sell these courses on platforms like Udemy, Teachable, or even your personal website. 6. Write blog posts and articles. Share your knowledge and experience with Index.dev by writing blog posts or articles for web development blogs or your personal blog. This can help you establish yourself as an expert in the field and attract clients. 7. Participate in online communities. Engage with web developers on platforms like Reddit, Stack Overflow, or Discord. Share your knowledge, answer questions, and offer assistance to others. This will help you build a strong network and attract potential clients. 8. Develop and sell web templates or themes. Create visually appealing and functional web templates or themes using Index.dev and sell them on marketplaces like ThemeForest, Creative Market, or even your personal website. 9. Offer web maintenance and support services. Many businesses need ongoing support and maintenance for their web applications. Offer your services to keep websites up to date, fix bugs, and ensure optimal performance. 10. Collaborate with other developers. Partner with other web developers or designers to offer comprehensive services, such as creating web applications, designing user interfaces, and providing marketing strategies. By following these steps, you can leverage Index.dev to make money online in 2024. Remember to continuously learn, adapt, and improve your skills to stay competitive in the ever-evolving web development industry.